Welcome. In today's episode I work on the tail. I am really close to finishing this build and I'm still hoping to fly it before the winter hits too hard. Let's get to work. I mark my cut lines with tape. I need to remove all the weight I can in order to escape my tail heavy situation. I 3D printed this servo mount and already cracked it while drilling the lightning holes. So now I have to add weight to fix it. The skins are made out of fiberglass and cut to size. I use instant glue to fix the skin to the frame. For now, I leave the top side open so I can access the tail. I still need to work on the servos before I fully close it. I clean up the overhanging skin. Looks good and heavy. Let's add some more weight. I route the recess for the hinge support. This is the weird way of mounting the elevator that I came up with. Maybe I should change the name of the channel to Nonsense Aviation, for example. Time to glue it. As always, epoxy with cotton fiber makes my structural glue. I also glue the elevator tubes and bearing bushings. Make sure that the aluminum is sanded rough just before the glue up. I also fixed the missing skin on the elevator. That's all for today, and more coming soon.